Sexual attraction isn't random. It's written in the stars, woven into the planetary placements that shape our deepest desires. Have you ever met someone who ignites something primal in you without explanation? A pull so magnetic yet so specific, you feel it in your bones? That's not just chemistry. That's astrology at work, and it goes far beyond your sun sign. Because in astrology, Venus, Mars, and the moon hold the keys to your sexual energy, how you love, how you pursue, and what truly satisfies you on a soul-deep level. The real question is, are you aligned with someone who speaks your cosmic language of desire? Let's dive into the planets that dictate the rhythm of your passion. Venus is where it all begins. This planet governs love, beauty, and pleasure, the things that make your heart race and your body crave connection. A Venus in Aries, bold, passionate, impatient, they chase what they want with raw intensity. But Venus in Taurus, they savor every touch, every moment, making love an experience of devotion and indulgence. If your Venus aligns harmoniously with someone else's, like a Venus in Leo, dancing with a Venus in Sagittarius, it's an effortless flow of romance and excitement. But when there's friction, like Venus and Virgo's precision clashing with Venus and Gemini's unpredictability, love becomes a puzzle, a challenge, a lesson in adaptation. If Venus is what you want, Mars is how you go after it. This is pure, unfiltered passion, your instinctual drive in love and sex. A Mars in Scorpio, intense, consuming, dangerously irresistible. They don't just want physical connection, they want possession, mind, body, and soul. But a Mars in Aquarius, detached, experimental, turned on by the unconventional. Their passion is a slow-burning fire, unpredictable but electric. When two Mars placements align, sparks fly. But when they clash like a fiery Mars in Aries with a sensual Mars in Pisces, their rhythms may never quite match. Some burn bright and fast. Others smolder forever. True compatibility isn't just about attraction. It's about emotional safety. The moon rules your inner world, the way you nurture, crave comfort, and bond beyond the physical. Someone with a moon in Cancer needs intimacy that feels like home, where emotions are held and understood. But a moon in Capricorn? They crave loyalty, strength, and proof of commitment before opening their heart. When sexual attraction aligns with deep emotional compatibility, when Venus, Mars, and the moon dance together, you don't just have chemistry, you have something cosmic, something unforgettable. So when looking at your connections, don't just ask if you're attracted to someone, ask why. Is it your Venus craving their love style? Your Mars drawn to their fire? Your moon finding safety in their soul? Sexual compatibility isn't just a feeling, it's a frequency. And when the right planets align, that frequency is undeniable. If this resonated, let me know your Venus, Mars, and moon signs in the comments. Let's decode your desires together.